Hello everyone and welcome to this new interesting video on Power BI. People think Power BI is only for data visualization, but this is not right. Power BI can do more than data visualization. You can also clean dirty data. Now in this video, I'll not show you how to clean dirty data from Excel or CSV or PDF. These are very common. I'll show you something which is uncommon. You can see how to bring data from your Outlook account, okay, from your emails. Bring those 200 emails inside Power BI and you can clean that data. After cleaning that data, how do you make a sense out of that data with the help of Power BI? Simple button clicks. So in this video, let's understand about how to clean Ola taxi bills, which I receive in my inbox, and how do I analyze the data with the help of Power BI. Let's begin. So you can see on my screen, I have my Outlook account and I have created a folder here. The name of this folder is Ola. Okay, so Ola is a taxi service in India. For people who are watching outside India, like outside India, there are Uber taxis. So in India, we have Ola taxis. So usually I travel by Ola taxi, and what happens is all the receipts, all the bills comes into this particular folder. So I've created that. This particular folder contains 199 emails. Okay, 199 emails. And what happens is every email tells me how much did I spend. 232 rupees, 227 rupees. Rupees is a currency in India for people who are watching outside India. So here I want to calculate what is the total amount. Understand the question. I want to calculate what is the total amount I have invested in the taxi over the years. Okay, so I want to find out these answers. Normally, if you do this, it will take a lot of time for you because you have to see one by one email and get the output. But with the help of Power BI, in 3 button clicks, we can bring the data in Power BI from email to Power BI. And in next 3-4 button clicks, we can clean this data. And finally, we can understand and we can analyze with the help of data visualization. Let's do this. So first thing, to bring the data in Power BI. So the question was, how much did I spend in the taxi services? So that's my Power BI. Click on Get Data, More button. The connector to bring the data from email is Exchange. So I can just click on Microsoft Exchange Online, click on Connect. Here I'll enter my email address and click on OK. Next is I can just go to Microsoft account and just click on Sign In because I'm already logged into this particular account. I'll just select my email ID, enter the password, and now I can just click on Connect. So what did I do was Get Data, More button, Exchange Online, enter the email address, give the password, and then within next few seconds, you can see this is the window you'll be getting. So I have the calendar, mail, meeting requests, people, and so on. So right now I'll just select the option as mail and just click on Transform Data. Transform Data is the Power Query editor for cleaning dirty data. Now here comes the magic. Now all those Outlook emails, whatever emails I have, 20,000, 50,000 emails over the years, everything has come into Power BI. Now here comes the interesting part. I want a folder data. The name of the folder was Ola. Ola is the name of the taxi, which is kept into inbox. So how do I get this data? From the first column, okay, folder path, I have to click on Load More. And from this folder path, I have to search the inbox Ola. So you can see inbox Ola, I can just click on OK. Now, when you bring this data, it gives you all the information like subject, sender name. If I keep on moving on the right hand side, you can see I have the date and time sent, date and time received. If I move on the right hand side, I also have the body text from that email. Okay, what is the body text? Amount I have spent on. But right now, all the information is available in the subject line. So I'll just keep in the subject line. If you see that's the amount, that's 357, 404 and so on. So I'll just keep this column, right click and remove other columns. Other columns are not required. Now, from this data, I'm looking for only where the amount is present. You see this amount. Wherever the amount is not present, those records are not useful. So I can just straight away remove this data. I need a pattern. The pattern is wherever it contains rupees, okay, wherever it contains a text named as rupees, keep that data. So I'm just giving a hint. So I can click on this drop down, text filters, and I can say contains. If I click on contains, I can just type here rupees. So I can select this data RS rupees. Before I filter, you can see there are 199 rows. That means in the email box, there was 199 emails. So I've got 199 rows. Now I've selected this rupees, click on OK. And finally, I have got only that data which contains numbers. Okay. So you saw 3 button clicks, we brought the data, and next few clicks, I'm just going to clean the data. Now the question is, how do I extract the numbers from this entire text? Many people might think formula, functions and all, but I'll make it very simple. There's one shortcut, Control E. You can press Control E from a keyboard. E for Ericsson, E for elephant. I can just put 357, enter. Once I put 357, enter, it will extract automatically all the numbers. Some places it might make a mistake like this. Okay, so what it is understanding, maybe the position number, but here I'll just teach them one more time, 1992, enter. So this way I have extracted all the data, all the numerical values from the data. Just click on OK, that's it. And here instead of ABC, I'll change into whole number and I'll say Ola money. I can say taxi money. Okay. And this column is not required, so I can right click and remove this column. And finally, I can just click on home menu bar, close and apply. Now, all those numerical data from 200 emails have been extracted. It just took me 3-4 minutes, not more than that. And within few minutes, I have got the data in Power BI. Now, finally, on the right hand side, you see this taxi money. I can just drag and drop this taxi money over here. And this tells me how much amount did I spend on the taxi services. So it says 67,000 till now in Indian rupees, 67,000 rupees I've spent. So now the magic here is whenever the new email comes with the data from that Ola taxi, if it comes in this inbox, I have to just click on refresh. And when I click on refresh, the data will be automatically updated. So remember, Power BI is not just only visualization tool. It is basically a data cleaning, data analysis tool as well. Now you can take few steps further as well. You can break data time, on which day, how much did I spend. So this way you can analyze the data in a detailed way. I hope you have understood how to extract email data directly in Power BI, that to clean and also visualize. That's all for this video.